I'm going to insert a RAM into the computer. You can check that it's not connected, so there's no electricity. I'll hold it aside to make sure there's no anti-static electricity. First I've got to take the DVD drive out by unplugging them. I've then got to put my RAM in here.
Leave it out. You install it now. Yeah.
You'll clip in when you've got it.
Put that in now. And then to get to that,
my other
bit,
in.
you'll need to unplug, take it out, so you can't get to it.
So put this in then, and take it out.
You don't need to take it out, just leave it like rest it. Line
it up, push it in, and it'll clip again.
Yeah, anything I can do.
Next I'll connect my drive back up. I'll look for the groove, so it'll go in easy.
Put it there.
Put the power in.
Wait, do you have to put that back in?
Next I'll line it up here and push forward and it'll clip into place. Then get the lid. And put the lid on.